Rise and grind, everyone. This is Shane with ReDesignYourGrind.com, and today we're going to start a series of videos that are going to teach you exactly how to build a brand from the ground up online. It'll depend on what type of brand you're trying to build, but for the sake of what we're doing, we're going to use an existing brand that I'm building to show off a lot of different things, starting with Shopify. So here at Redesign Your Grind, we are a Shopify partner. That's primarily what we use for our website. So that's what we're going to recommend, and that's what we're going to teach in these videos. But when we build websites for clients, that's what we use. We use the Shopify platform. That's what we're the most comfortable with, and we just really love the great amount of functionality that comes with that platform, as well as the security features. But we'll get into that in some future videos. For right now, all you need to know is a little bit about me and what this course is going to entail. So my name is Shane Skinner. I am the founder and CEO of Redesign Your Grind. In these videos, we're going to be going over quite a bit of stuff, but for the Brand Builder 101 videos themselves, it's just going to be what you need to do to get yourself up and running in the beginning, and that's it. Just the bare minimum stuff, the things that you can do for free or for cheap to get yourself up and running. If you go to the YouTube channel and you check out the Brand Builder 101 videos, you may notice that we already have a couple videos from last year. Unfortunately, we built a few brands this year and I did not get to making all this content. So that's what this is here. I hope you enjoy it and I hope that it's very useful to you. If it is, definitely leave me some comments. Let me know what was useful and what wasn't. If you have any questions, absolutely reach out. ReDesignYourGrind@gmail.com. I will reach back out to you. For now, just sit back, relax, and go ahead and follow step by step in these videos and make your own brand with us. You can go ahead and share it with us at the end. Let's get right into the brand builder. The first thing you're going to need to do, we'll cover in the next video. So I'll see you there.